This video I'm about to show you how to solve Facebook two-factor authentication problem. If you can't receive your two-factor authentication codes by phone or authentication app, there are still things you can do. SMS codes can sometimes take time to arrive. Check your phone again in a while. If you are logged in from another browser or device, check your notifications. You may be able to prove this login from there. If you already have recovery codes saved or printed, you can use them to approve this login. Once you've logged in, you can add a new mobile phone number to your account. You can add a different authentication app to your account or add a security key to your account. Turn off two-factor authentication from your security and login settings. If you're unable to log in after trying these tips, you'll need to confirm your identity to log in. Attempt to log in and continue until you need to enter your two-factor authentication code. Then, click Need another way to authenticate. Now, click Other Options, then click Get More Help and follow the on-screen instructions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.